Welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you my recipe of pork chop with mustard honey sauce. You can replace the pork with the chicken if you like. You're gonna need an instant noodle soup for this. I know it's weird, but trust me. So yeah, let's go make it. To start the recipe we need some pork chops. You want them to be a little thick. I made some cuts there so they can stay more flat while cooking. You can use chicken if you want. Mix garlic powder, paprika, white pepper, nutmeg, salt, black pepper and smoked paprika. We're gonna add a little more smoked paprika. Wrap the pork chops on both sides with that mix, but keep a little for later. Until the pork chops gets to room temperature and rest with the spice on it, let's prepare the rest. We're gonna need some red bell pepper, garlic and some red onion. You can use whatever onion you like, I really enjoy the sweetness of the red one. Now, this may look weird, but we're gonna need an instant noodle soup. So let's make one. I have one with pork seasoning, you can totally use chicken or veggie. Get some boiling water and put the noodles with the spice mix in it and let it sit for 5 minutes covered. After that, separate the noodles from the soup. Now get a pan, put some oil in it, and when it's hot, put your pork chops. You want them to get a nice caramelized crust on each side. Cook them for like 3 to 4 minutes on each side. When you flip them, throw in some butter and garlic. To make them super tender, after you flip them, put a lid on and keep them at low flame. You could also keep them in pineapple juice to marinate for 1 to 2 hours before frying them. After you're done with them, we need to move fast. Lower the flame if you didn't have already and throw in your red bell peppers, mix a little and add the onions. Mix again and let it cook at low flame for around 1 minute. Until then, get some cornstarch, less than a teaspoon, and a little water. Mix it and have it near you. We're gonna need to thicken the sauce. Now, remember the noodle soup? Put some of that soup depending on how much sauce you want in the pan. Add some of those condiments from earlier and give it a mix. Add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 or 2 of honey, along with some lemon juice. I had 1 small lemon. And now add the cornstarch with the water to thicken the sauce. Put the pork chops back for another minute in there and sprinkle some cilantro on top for freshness. That's it, I serve it with some noodles from earlier and that really great sauce. I seriously doubt that the sauce made with noodle soup will be good, but damn, it was really great and totally worth it. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe, please leave a like, subscribe and see ya next time.